I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for day 17 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And we're getting there. So I've been baking cookies and all kinds of stuff today. Just so you know, I always record the day before, usually in the afternoon or evening. So today is Saturday. I actually have a little Christmas party tonight. So it's like, I don't know, 3 o'clock, I think, 3 o'clock on Saturday afternoon that I am recording this. I mean, I have to have time to edit and to get all the numbers updated and do my research, and there's a lot of stuff that goes along with YouTubing. Anyway, I don't want to mislead you in any way that I get up in the morning and actually record. Sorry if I spoiled the magic, but I don't. So, all right, that's not why you're here though. Hear me talk about YouTube, right? We're gonna open this one. I have no idea what this is other than I think it's an ocean. So let's open it and find out. It's sealed. Ooh, okay. Oh, I like her products. Oh, this is the pointy thing. This is Roxanne glue stick. Interesting. I love Roxanne's products, so I have a feeling I'd like this. I've never used this one, but I'm wondering if we have some English paper piecing coming up. Do you think that's what these would be for? So this is a turning tool. Makes me wonder, what are we glue basting? Just a thought. All right, well, we'll find out. So let's guess. Day 18. All right, before I lift this up, I'm going to warn you. I'm warning. We're gonna guess. Here it is. All right, this is boogered up. I want you to see, it's mostly sealed. I mean, I didn't do anything to it, but I have some rips, and there's a little rip here. I think that just happened with shipping. I don't know, but I didn't peek. I did not peek. All right, there's something paper here that feels like a pattern. Something squishy down here. Wondering if it's fabric pieces. I'm just wondering because we have these two things, which makes me suspicious. This is something I think you'd use for English paper piecing. Although it does say for quilting, scrapbooking, sewing, and other crafts, so maybe not. Okay, squishy. And it's like an odd shape of squishy. There's like a circle thing here. And definitely something that feels like a pattern. Can't wait to find out. Oh, okay, don't think there's anything I need to update you. Oh, yes, the fabric thing, or the raggy things. Hold on. All right, here we go. This thing, so I let this dry after I wetted it yesterday, and it did dry just as stiff, but maybe not as flat. I suppose if you let it lay flat, it might. I do love this. I used the other one while I was baking cookies today, like to wipe up all of the flour and junk that gets all over your mixer. This is a really great product, and I had no idea it was a thing. I read so much about this in the comments, and then I went out to their website, and it's a really great product. It's interesting. I usually use microfiber cloths, so this is new to me. I think it cleaned up really well. I was impressed, and I guess you could put it in the dishwasher. So I might try that. If you go out to their website, you can see all about it. There's a frequently asked questions page and everything. Kind of a cool product. It's supposed to be, I guess, from Sweden or inspired by the Swedish people. Let's get to the totals. So these guys, for a set of 2, is $11.50. This was really easy to find out because it was on their website. So I don't think there's any disputing that amount. So that brings us to a grand total of $238.40. And that means that we are $58.45 to the good. I think it's fantastic. I keep a running total on my blog with the pictures of every day. So if you want to go back and look at it and see how I'm doing, see if you disagree, agree, whatever, you can go out and look at that on my website, which is at sewthedistance.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.